All right, hey guys, this is your teacher's eclass page. And so what you're going to find on here is up in the announcements section are all of the codes that you're going to need for each of the different apps that we're going to use. So go ahead and make sure that you've downloaded or created an account for each of these and join with your teacher's class codes. You're going to have to look at their webpage, okay? All of your teacher's information is going to be on this right-hand side. So if you ever need to email them, it's going to be right here. A copy of the syllabus is right there. And your teacher's tutoring schedule should also be posted. If they don't have one posted, then that means that their tutoring is done by appointment. So just make sure that you have a conversation with them about that. So every week, we're going to have on the calendar what you have to do. So, for instance, today is August 3rd, so you won't have anything, but there will be a little blue dot under each day, and so you'll just click on that link, and it should take you to what you have to complete for that day. If there's ever a day that that doesn't happen, you're going to go under Content, and then you'll scroll down to the week that we are on. So, for instance, if you're working on the first week's stuff, you're going to click on Week 1. And then there will be a sub-module for each day. And again, this is August 3rd right now, so we don't have everything uploaded yet, but it will be there shortly. So we have it all the way down to December 14th. Okay, so make sure that you click on the correct week. If there's ever a time that we ask you to submit something in the Dropbox, you're going to go to Activities, and then you're going to click on Assignments. Okay, this is the new Dropbox, if you will. Okay, and then you'll just drop it into your teacher's Dropbox there. If we ever say, hey, go to a discussion post, this is where discussions are. If we ever say, hey, we need you to go take a quiz or we need you to go take a test, this will be under this Quizzes tab. Even if it's called a test, it will be underneath the Quizzes tab. So again, that would be under Activities and then go to Quizzes. Some other things that you can use, there are announcements. Announcements was found on the home page, but that being said, you can also click here and it'll show you any of the announcements. Those will never go away. You'll always be able to see them. There's also checklists. So if your teacher ever posts a checklist for you to complete, normally these checklists will be created for each day, but it will be connected onto that content page that I've already shown you. But just in case, there's that. If you ever need to go into your Google Drive for any reason, you're just going to click on this G Suite Apps. And I think that's all there is for y'all. But in order to get to this page, which I probably should have included earlier, you're going to click on this thing called the waffle. And we're going to refer to that a lot. And then you'll type in whatever class you need. So for instance, if you were in my Algebra 2 class, you would type Emmons Algebra 2, and then you would click on that 2021 first semester. So S1 means first semester. And then you're going to go to that course homepage, which is already where we're at. So if you have any questions, just let your teacher know, or you can contact me, and I hope you have a great year.